guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we're going to be going in with my Carli Bybel palette by BH Cosmetics. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a tutorial on the Carli Bybel palette or the Too Faced Peach palette, and Carli Bybel won. I actually thought the Peach palette was going to win just because that was such a hyped up palette. So it was a pleasant surprise. I usually never do like soft glam natch looks, but I actually really like this. I'm going to lunch with my girls, so I don't want to do anything crazy or be too extra. So I feel like this is perfect because it's still pretty glam, but it's just nice and soft. And so these are very soft, very bronzy, and then you do get highlighters as well. So it's nice because you get your highlighters and you get your 10 shades. You get a good amount of matte transitions, which is nice, but these are way more like brown mauve-y than I'm used to. So it was really fun to experiment and do something a little more natural. So if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, then just keep on watching.
The apocalypse.
So this is going to be a way different look than I'm used to doing. It's going to be a lot more natural, not as crazy. So let's just go ahead and jump in. So first I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. They're just very like light mauve brown colors. I'm definitely not used to using mauve shades. Now for this look, since it's not going to be crazy intense smoky, I'm not doing wing liner. I didn't put a tape down to give me like that sharp edge. I'm just taking my Sigma E40 and I'm putting that mauve color, well, the two shades that I mixed, putting that all in my crease, just like this. Alright, so now that we have this down, I'm going to go in with the very bronzy shade. This one has a lot of bronzy shades. I'm actually going to go in with these two highlight shades right here. I feel like I want this to be pretty intense as far as the actual shimmer. So we're just going to start putting that all over my lid. Not really cutting the crease, but definitely defining it. Bringing it onto my inner corner as well. And I like this look because it's a pretty fast look. You don't really have to use that many colors. You don't have to use concealer to cut out the crease. Like, these highlight shades are so pigmented that you don't have to like carve out the crease. You just apply them and they blend out so smooth. I really like this palette. It's super affordable. I believe you could still get it at Ulta. I think it was like $11. It's really nice. So just like that. Now I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in the highlight colors. And I'm just going to go into my inner corner to really make that inner corner pop. Just like that. Now with the smaller detailer brush, I'm going to go in with this darkest maroon shade. Just to kind of deepen up the outer edge. Not crazy, because like I said, I want to keep this pretty natch. So I'm just defining it a little bit. Just like that. Something subtle. We don't want to go too crazy. And I love these like mauve cranberry shades. They're so pretty. I feel like I don't experiment with them. So just like that. Then I'm going to go in with my E40 with no product and just blend the outer edge. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with my Immortal eyeliner pencil by Nude Sticks. This one's a really pretty dark bronzy color, but I like it better than like your typical just brown eyeliner or black eyeliner. Because of that bronziness, it gives your eyes like a pop without it being too much, but it still defines the eye. So I really like that. I also like that they're very waterproof, so that's really nice. Now I'm going to go in with this darkest shade of the highlights and this eyeshadow right here. They're actually very similar to the actual shade of the eyeliner. So I'm just using those bronzy colors to blend out the eyeliner. To kind of smoke it out a little, but I don't want to use any like dark matte colors because I want it to stay pretty bronzy and like shimmery. So just like that. So I zoomed you guys in a little so you could see a little bit better. So now I'm just going to take my liquid liner and I'm just going to do a very thin line just to give my lashes a base. I don't want to do like a wing liner. Alright, so really quick, I'm going to pop on my lashes and then I'll be right back so we can pick a look. Alright, so now my lashes are on and this is the final look. I feel like it came out so pretty. I'm not used to doing like natural glam, so I really like it. So for lips, I'm obviously going to go in with a nude. I don't really know what kind of nude I'm feeling. Dusty Nude by Anastasia. Yep, that's the one. So I'm not going to line my lips because when I use liquid lipsticks, I can just use that to line my lip. So I'm going to go with this one. It's called, yeah, Dusty Rose by Anastasia. I want to add a little more nude. So I think I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Posy K. Maybe that'll add some more brown. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think I'm going to keep the lips pretty matte because, I don't know, I really like the color. It is way more pink than I'm used to wearing. But I feel like it really matched like the mauve-y kind of tones we were doing on our eye. So that's the look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I will see you in my next one.
The apocalypse.